Got serious wind coming in.
Look at this! I'm stuck in the damn door! I got stuck at the door.
Yeah. Got a nice storm coming in.
127.
Oh, a light went out somewhere.
127.
That is crazy.
I was coming up over there. I went up the grass up the hill. At first I got started biking. I was almost going in the opposite direction. It was going that strong. I was almost going in the opposite
I'm
direction.
getting rained on here a bit.
Yeah, so am I.
That is wicked.
I did.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Oh, but that hurt.
What, the wind?
Yeah, the
dust?
wind and the dust and the rocks all came up and pelted me in the side of the head. It was either me get pelted in the head with the rocks or me getting mad.
Holy dino, look at that wind.
This is making me stop. Ow.
Oh, wait, here comes the rain.
Oh, why? I got rid of my...
Okay, let's get in, get the cats. Get.
Oh, rain just pelted me in the eye, too.
That is crazy.
I'm just not having a good night.
Yeah, no kidding.
First rocks and then a rain pelted me. Oh, oh.
Right.
Just wipe my face. Do you feel dirt?
No, I'm hanging on to this. Here, lock this door for me. Close it for me. No, close it.
Well, do this to my face. Do you feel dirt on it?
Yeah, you can feel kind of grimy.
Oh.
That is one crazy wind.
Yeah, because literally, first thing I'm coming up 127th, I'm almost at the Yellowhead, and the wind just starts nailing me.
That's why we're awake. We were wondering where the heck you are. I don't know. Like,
I was speeding home as fast as I could. You have no idea.
oh, I don't blame you. That wind is. They're saying it could reach up to 90. That's crazy. And now the rain is coming.
Anything else you have to ask for?
Ah, your poor tomato plant. Wait, where are her tomato plants?
Turn on the outside light.
Holy Jesus Christ.
Wow, is it ever coming down? I was trying to sleep and then this happened, so I thought I have to record this. Wow.
Launching open. Look at this right here. Holy shit.
What's your language?
Sorry.
All that hail?
Holy Frenchman. There's so much hail all over this too. Like, Father, look at this. Like, look at this.
Look at the hail.
I literally can make a snowball.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, close it.
No, I was getting push closed.
That is crazy.
Hey, Mother.
Leaves are sticking.
There's so much hail, I could literally...
You made a snowball out of it. Oh, that's nasty. Again, have a good night, you guys.